Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, what do we have here now? We will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F150. That's what we'll be demonstrating on, guys. If you have a different year but that generation, video may be helpful as well. You guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's actually, guys, underneath the hood. When you open the hood right above the radiator fan, you have that fuse box that's located right here. This is the cover you can see with a fuse on it. So when you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. So we can clearly zoom it and show you everything with a great detail. But before we start, let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So when you open the hood, you will face that way, you will be on this side, the windshield, and those relays will be towards the windshield side. Now, those relays could be really expensive at the parts store and sometimes are hard to find. I would recommend to buy some and keep as a spare, at least one or two in the vehicle. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping. The relay for the engine computer, guys, for the PCM, will be that relay right here that you will need to check. That relay will need to be checked. That's the first relay on the top left side. For any of you guys that have a 3.5 V6 engine, you may have one more relay, and we'll be talking about the relay that's located right here in the corner. That relay right here will be for the 3.5 V6 engine. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.